Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can sign up our account in Discover mobile app. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application and open the application. After that, click on register an account or open an account. Next, click on online savings account. After this, click on open an account. As we are new to Discover, we have to click on continue from new to Discover option. There are 4 major steps to be followed to open Discover online saving account. First is your personal information. You have to provide Discover with all your personal information and click on continue. After following all of these steps, your account will be signed up. So this is how you sign up your account in Discover mobile app. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.